Alright, you some life hack who eat a lot of boiled eggs. So we have different spices, for the soups, big variety. So basically, I don't know, you can use any you like. We can take different one. Let's say you can make it with cinnamon, other spices. So I make it in a pan just for make example. So it's big variety of different herbs as well. So it will be pretty nice color. And yeah, I know if you eaten eggs like months time already, so you can not look on it anymore. So first of all, I suggest you to wash it. Yeah, you still remember where it come from, and yeah, it's just chicken periods, whatever, but really good source of protein. But still, after 1 month, difficult to eat a lot of boiled or fried eggs or whatever. So I put it in different spices. We'll boil it in it, and later on I'll just take a peel off and just will leave it in this water. So basically, it will make completely different smell actually, different smell and color. So basically, with each new spice, you can have a new egg taste. So I have various different herbs from Arab, Indian, Chinese shops. So today it's more Chinese style, and now you can see the final version. So I bought like 1 pack. It's already selected herbs, like $1 to $3, and yeah, it smells amazing. Eggs now taste completely different. So you can impress your friends, or you can even cook your soup with some certain spices, let's say meat, fish, or vegetables, really up to you, and this will be always different meal.